If you're choosing a personal injury lawyer, there's one question that most people never think to ask. Has your attorney ever worked on the other side of the case? Because that experience can make a big difference in the value of your claim. I'm Cary Woods II, a personal injury attorney here in Florida. Before representing injury victims, many attorneys, including myself, spent time working on defense cases, representing insurance companies or defendants. And while that might sound surprising, that experience can be one of the biggest advantages for clients today. Because when you worked on the other side, you understand how those cases are really evaluated. When insurance companies evaluate an injury claim, they're not just looking at medical bills. They're asking questions like, how strong is the evidence? What arguments will the plaintiff make? How risky this case would be if it goes to trial? An attorney who previously worked on the defense has already been in those type of situations. They understand how insurance companies evaluate risk, how they calculate settlement ranges, and what makes them more likely to fight a case or resolve it. That insight helps an attorney anticipate the strategies that the defense is likely to use and prepare for them early. Insurance companies tend to focus on certain arguments in personal injury cases. They might question whether the injuries are truly related to the accident. They may argue that the treatment wasn't medically necessary, or they might try to shift some of the blame on the injured person. When you spend time seeing how those arguments are built, you learn where the weak points are. That allows an attorney to prepare stronger evidence, stronger documentation, and stronger expert testimony to address those issues before they become a problem. Defense experience can also make a difference during settlement negotiations. Insurance companies approach negotiations with a strategy. An attorney who understands those internal decision-making processes can often recognize when an offer is just a starting point and when more pressure may be needed. That insight helps guide negotiation strategy and can sometimes push a settlement to higher values. There's also a courtroom advantage. Attorneys who have worked on both sides of litigation often have significant trial experience because defense attorneys frequently handle cases that go all the way to court. That experience builds confidence in presenting evidence, questioning witnesses, and explaining a case clearly to a judge or jury. And when the defense knows that the lawyer on the other side is comfortable going to trial, it can change how seriously they evaluate the case during negotiations. At the end of the day, choosing the right attorney isn't just about experience. It's about the kind of experience that they bring to your case. I'm Cary Woods II, and my team helps injury victims navigate the legal process and pursue the compensation they deserve. If you have questions about your case, please feel free to reach out to our office. And if you want to learn more about how personal injury cases really work, make sure to follow for more videos just like this.